One student. Only one student have taken a demo. All right. Okay. So, I would like, uh, I would like Mr. Pradeep sir to start the class for today, as it's already 8:11. So it's a good time to start the class, as I can see many of the new students have joined. So yeah, so I'm handovering it to you. You can start the lesson.
Hi guys, hello everyone. Can you all hear me? Yes or no? Am I audible? Okay, great. So are you all excited for the class of today? Are you all excited for the class? Great. Okay. So send me hands up if you're excited and send me hands down if you're not excited for the class. Hmm? Everybody is excited. Is there someone who is feeling boring that he's not going to take the class of today? Huh?
Sir, you are muted.
Oh, Oh, sorry. Okay. So in this class, we are going to learn what is coding, right? So in this class, we are going to have an introduction to the coding. Yeah. And how can we, like, okay, how many of you play games? Raise your hands. How many of you play games? Everybody play games? Everyone play games? Okay. Can you tell me how many of you use the YouTube? How many of you use YouTube? Huh? You all use the YouTube as well? Oh my God. It's really very nice. So you all are the user, right? You all use the different things. Yeah? Okay, which is your favorite game? Like some of might be saying, okay, can you just tell me your favorite game? You can just type in the chat box. You can type in the chat box, right? Which is your favorite game? Which is your favorite game? You can write in the chat box. Everybody, please write. Please write. Which is your favorite game? Great, very nice. Okay, I can see some of the chats. Can we see some of the chats here? Okay, fine. Like some of you might be playing Subway Surfer, some of you might be playing, okay, I'm going to play a snake game. Huh? Or some of you might be driving the car, right? Yes or no? So we used to play so many games. But have you ever think that how can we create these games? How can we make our own game? And we will be developing the game and everybody is using that. Yeah? Will it not be interesting that you are making the game and everyone is using your game? Everyone is playing your game and you are also playing your own game. Will it be interesting or not? Can you tell me? Yes or no? Yeah, it will be very much interesting, right? Okay. So, and also one more thing, right? What? First of all, we are going to have an introduction to what is a computer. Okay, I'll be teaching you from the very basics. So we are going to learn in a very fun manner. Okay, so are you all ready for the class? Great. Okay. So we are going to start. One second, I'm presenting my screen and then we will start, okay? Yeah, can you see my screen? Is it visible? Kids, can you see my screen? Is it visible? Can you see it? Yes? Okay, great. So first of all, welcome to the class of this mini coders, right? From today, you are the coder. You are who you are. What you are?
Good.
Mini coders, right? Who you are?
Minicoders.
Say it again.
Minicoders.
Mini coders, right? So from today's class, we are going to learn the coding. What we are going to learn?
Coding.
Coding. How many of you are wants to learn coding? Who wants to learn coding? Raise your hands. Raise your hands like this. Show me your hands like this if you want to learn coding. Or should I stop the class here? You all wants to learn the coding?
Yes.
Great, very great. I just want this excitement in my class. Okay. So here now you are into the tag zone. Now you are different from this word. In which zone you are? You are in the tag zone. Okay?
Which
So
zone?
tag zone that we call tag zone. You know what is tag zone? I'll be writing tag zone. Welcome into the tag zone. Okay, great, fine. In this tag zone, whatever you are thinking, whether it is possible or not, whether it is possible or not, right? It will be done. It will be done. Okay? If you are thinking that this is the thing which is impossible, here you can do that thing.
Oh.
In this coding, you can do that thing. Okay? In this
Yes.
zone, you can do that thing. Fine? Great.
Yeah.
Okay. So fine. Before starting, Arnav, please. Arnav, please don't do anything on the screen.
Students, it's requested to please not scribble on the screen. Otherwise, I will not allow you to scribble at all.
Okay, great. Fine. So, first of all, we'll be learning about what is a computer, right? In which thing
Yeah.
we are going to do the coding? In which thing we are going to do the coding?
Okay.
In which thing we are going to do the coding? In the computer or the laptops, right? We are having the laptops and the computers, and
So,
in that, yes,
do you
yes,
know,
Vihan,
in my school, we learn computers.
you learn computers. How
Yeah.
many of you learn computers in the school?
Me.
You all learn the computers in the school?
Yeah.
Okay, great, very great. So in today's class, we are also going to learn the computers, right? First of all, we'll understand what is a computer, and after that, we are going to learn the coding. Because ultimately, we have to do the coding where? In which device we have to do the coding? in which device we have to do the coding? In our laptops or the computers that we are using. Yes or no,
Computer.
kids? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Great, very great, Anna. So first of all, we will understand what is a computer. Like, in your laptop or if you're just taking the class, so there, like you can see, there is the screen first of all, in which you can see me and you can see my whatever I'm presenting or whatever I'm doing over here, right? You can see
Yeah.
the different things. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, so this thing that we call, it is called a monitor. What do we call?
Monitor.
Monitor. This is not the
Monitor.
class monitor, right? This is a computer monitor, right? Because this is the screen. What it is?
A screen.
It's a
A
screen
screen.
in which we can see the different things. Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
slide that you are seeing now.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so what
Yes.
we can say? What is this computer? This computer, it's an electronic device. Why do we call it an electronic device? Does anyone know why do we call it an electronic device? Vihan
Because
has raised. Yes, Vihan, tell
because
me. Hmm?
because we have to charge it, and it has some battery inside it.
Great, great, Vihan. Yes, Dipen, would you like to tell why it is called an electronic device?
Sir, because it take input, process, output, and there are many things by
I'm
which it
asking
is
why it is
called.
called an electronic device.
Sir, my answer is same as Vihan because there are
Uh-huh.
very things, batteries, we can charge the screen, and there are many components.
Very nice. Okay, is there anyone who wants to tell why we call it as a huh? Of
I
course, right? Vihan has told very correctly. We call it electronic device because it uses the electricity. It has the battery. Suppose it does not have the battery, what do we say? My computer is not charged. I have to take my charger, then I'll charge it again. Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So what does
Yes,
it
sir.
take? It takes electricity to work. Okay. It takes what? It takes electricity to work.
Yeah.
And
Electric.
also, one thing, like
What?
suppose, like if you have seen in the computer shop or the computer repairing shop, so if we just see the inside of this computer, there are so many chips, right? Small
Mhm.
chips and cells are there. Yes or no?
Yes,
There are
sir.
several circuits out there. There are many circuits out there. Okay, so that's why we call it as the electronic device. Okay, understood everyone? Yes.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
what does this device do? Why do we use computer? Okay, why do we use computer? Why?
Because
Hmm.
because computer uh, brain is CPU, and it processes and manages tasks. Sir. And the tasks that takes input processes
Hmm.
it and
Hmm.
gives output, like the printer gives out papers when we give
Very
instructions
great.
to the printer.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So now I'm going to tell you that what does this computer do? First of all, suppose if I will give you something, like if I will come at your home, suppose I come at Vihan's home, right? And I have asked Vihan, can you give me a glass of water? So Vihan will say, okay, sir, now I'm going and will give you the water. Yes or no? Or sometimes what do we go? Where do we go? We are going to shop and we found a chocolate. We want that chocolate. So first of all, we'll ask that chocolate to the shopkeeper, right? He's, uncle, can you give me this chocolate? Right? I want this chocolate. You will ask first of all, right or not?
Sir,
Yes?
sir,
Hmm?
sir, add the chip in the laptop to eat.
No. We should not eat anything. Not even the wire, not even anything. We should be very careful while using the computer or the laptops. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, now this thing, the computer works on these three sections, right? The first section we call it input. What it is called? Input. Input. Input means what? When we ask anything, right? What do we do? When we ask anything, Anna? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, great, great, great. You can just show me your hand. Like if you are understanding this, then you can just thumbs up. Okay, very good. Huh? Now, input means what? Whenever we are typing something, means whenever we are giving the data. And whenever we want, okay. Just like whenever we are typing on the keyboard or whenever we are clicking with the mouse, or when I'm speaking through the microphone as well, right? This is called what? This is called, this is called what? This is called input. Very good. You can type. You can type. Okay. I'll be seeing your messages. Okay. So have you understood this? What is an input? What is an input? Very good. है ना? So for example, whenever we use a mobile phone, right? Suppose I'm using a mobile phone. In that mobile phone, when we wants to dial a number, so that is a input. What it is? That's an input. Very good. Now this computer will process it. What it will do?
Process it.
The computer will process it, right? So now the computer will work on it. What it will do?
Work on it.
The
Work
computer
on
will
it.
work on it. And then it is going to provide us the output. Then it is going to provide us the
Output.
output. What is output? The result that the computer is providing us. That is called output. What it is called?
Output.
Output. Very good, Anna. For example, whenever you are playing the game, so what is input over there? What is input in that case? When we touch the screen to play, whenever we are touching the screen to play, that is called, what do we call it?
Put.
Input. We call it input. And now the phone is running the game, right? The game is running. So that's called a process. What is it? What do we say that?
Process.
Process. And what is the output? Now the game moves out and shows you what you did. Suppose you're driving a car and the car, suppose you're playing a hill
Sir,
climb racing game. Yes, Vihan?
sir, even if you're driving a car,
Hmm?
the fuel is using the engine, and then the engine is using the tires to move the car.
Yeah, great.
Same
Okay.
with the
And
phone. So when it is in the charging, the battery goes inside the phone and becomes full charged.
great, very nice. Okay. So what do we call? Now you understood about this very clearly. What is input, what is processing, and what is output? For example, whenever you are watching a cartoon, you are clicking on the cartoon video, then the computer is loading the video, and cartoon plays on the screen, and the sound is coming to us, right? For example, you're watching Motu Patlu. Okay, have you got it? Right or not? Right, very good, very nice. So this is the thing that we call computer. Now this computer has the different parts, right? I will explain it quickly because we have to move for the further sections, right? Okay. So, so this is the, can you see this? This is called the monitor. What is it? This is the monitor. Okay. And now the CPU is the brain of the computer. What it is? Brain. Just like you have the brain, no? You need to think out whenever you are thinking something, then by which body part you think? From the brain. We all have the brain. So that we can think.
Yes.
Similarly, this computer has also something to think, right? That is called what? That is called the CPU. Okay? It's like a big box. Okay? Right. Now, this monitor, it's looking like a TV screen. Mouse. Mouse is the small device that we generally move from here to there, right? It has a cursor. And when we click on it, it is going to give us that thing. Okay? Speakers. Speakers are the basically the sound boxes. These are the sound boxes from which the sound is coming out. You can hear me because of the speakers that you are having in your laptop. Okay. And next thing is called also called there are several other things as well. And I'm going to explain you quickly. Okay. Now the next thing is about the, okay. Yeah. We have divided this into the two parts. Okay. The first thing that we call, it is called the hardware. What do we call it? Okay, like if you will just touch out, what are the things that you can touch? What are the things that you can touch? You can touch a mouse, you can touch a keyboard, you can touch a monitor, you can touch out the speakers, right? So all the physical things that you can touch, we are calling it as the hardware. We call it what? Hardware.
Hardware.
Hardware. Okay. Now, there are the different things in your computer, right? For example, if I will show you, so there are various apps in my computer, right? So what do we call them? We call them as the software.
Software. Sir,
Okay.
software we have in every electronics.
Very nice. Very nice. Great. Okay. Like for example, in our phone as well, there are several apps like YouTube. Whenever you are watching, whenever playing any game, so that will be called as the software. What it is? Software. Understood by everyone? Is there any doubt in this? Okay. Very great. Very great. Very great. Okay. Now I'll be telling you about the next thing, and the next important thing is about what? What is coding? What is coding? I'll be telling you this, right? So now let's come to our main topic. What is coding? And why do we need to learn coding? Why do we need to learn coding? Hmm? Okay, simply there is like I will tell you very in a very simple words, right? For example, if you want that your friend should play with you, what will you do? You will simply ask to your friend, "Hey, can you play with me?" And if you will say yes, then you are going to play. Okay, fine, simple. So coding means telling a computer what to do. What is the coding? What is coding? Coding means telling the computer what to do. Okay. So we gave instructions, right? We give instructions to the computer using a special language. We use a special language. Now that language can be understood by the computer. That language a computer can understand. Okay. And these instructions are called what? These instructions are called the code, right? For example, if I will show you, like I will write something here, है ना? And then I will be telling you this, right? Okay. For example, if you want, like, what, like, suppose there is there is your friend, and you want something that your friend should do, right? So you will give the instruction. You will give the instruction, right? Suppose that friend is following you, or suppose you want your car to move, right? Or suppose you want there is an sprite, suppose there is an animal, you want that animal should stop or should start, है ना? Should stand up and should dance, है ना? So what you will say? Start, and then you will say, means start means you are giving a instruction that it should start something, it should start doing something. And now what do you want that it should do? What do you want? What it should do? Start, and now you are saying it to dance. Dance with me. Now it is going to dance, right? Okay. Sometimes, like when we play statue, so then the friend is going to be statue. Now I do not have to move. Don't move, right? So these are the simple steps that whatever we want to do, right? We call it as the coding. These instructions are called the code. Simple. These instructions are called what? Code. And now dance with me. If you will not stop it, then it is going to dance with you. Then you will say stop. Right or not? Then it will be stopped. Statue, then play. Statue, then play. Right? We generally do this now. We generally play this game. Okay. So now this coding is going to make out from user to developer. Right? What is called a user? Suppose we are using the phone. So who we are? We are using the phone. So who we are? Who we are? We are the users, right? Because we are using it. Okay. Now, suppose you are using a game, you are playing a game. So you are the user of that game. What you are? You are the user of that game. And now you want that. What do you want now? You want that. You want that. Now this whatever you are giving the whatever instructions you are giving the computer, right? So it should follow those instructions, right or not? You want that it should follow those instructions. So that's why what do we use? We use the code. What do we
Code.
use? We use the code. Okay. Is it very, very clear?
It is
Is
very,
it
very
very
clear.
great? Very nice. And just like which language generally we speak? We speak
English.
Hindi, we speak
English.
English, we speak Bengali, Marathi, and then there are different languages that we generally Tamil, right? There are so many languages that we generally use, right? Telugu, so many languages are there, है ना? Similarly, right? Suppose I'm speaking in English, so that's why you can understand. But how our computer can understand? Which language will our computer will understand?
Coding.
Coding. Our computer can understand the coding languages. Okay. Our computer can understand what? The coding languages, right? Okay. So first, let's before moving to the next thing, I'll be telling you that how do we generally do the coding? That what are the types of the coding? What are the types of the coding, right? Like how many types of coding are possible there? Okay. So we are having the two types. How many types?
Two
Vihan, how many types?
types.
Two types.
Very good.
Two
Kush, how
types.
many types we are having the coding?
Two types.
Two types. Generally, we have the two types of coding, right? So the
Yeah.
first type that we call, it is called the block-based coding. What it is called?
Block
Block
based
based
Block-based coding.
coding.
Block-based coding. What it is? Block-based coding, right?
Yeah.
Means block-based. What do we do? We are having the what is a block? Block means if there are the different blocks of means there are the different boxes, right? Kind of the box. What is a block? We can call there are the different boxes out there. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes
Yes,
or no?
sir.
And what do we need
Yes.
to do? What do we need to do in that case? What do we need to do in that block? We
We
are
need
going
to
to
place
just,
it.
we just need to place the boxes in the manner, right?
Yes, sir.
And then it is
Yes.
going to work out.
We
So the
also
first,
done it in scratch.
Sir. Sir.
great. Yes,
Sir.
Vihan.
Sir,
Yes,
do
Vihan.
you know we the computer will only the like some YouTube we make that will only work from coding.
Yeah, very good. Okay. So first that is called what? Block based. What are the blocks? Means there are the different blocks. है ना? Like start, then stand up, then sit down, then again
There are
stop,
specific
right?
blocks.
And then just repeat this
Then
process, repeat
statue.
it.
forever.
Statue, right? So these are called the blocks. है ना?
Yeah.
And this thing, now we are having the different blocks. First one is called the block based coding.
Sir, you are muted.
Okay, sorry. Right, the first software that we call the Scratch, right? We'll be also having a look on the Scratch. Okay, how many of you are already aware about the Scratch? What it is and how to use it? Is there
Yeah, we
anyone who
I
has
know.
used
will
We
before?
know.
use it
We
Right,
know.
in
you
fifth
already
grade.
know?
Yeah, we know.
Great.
Yes, sir.
So the Scratch that you know, that is called a block-based coding. Means you are using the drag. We use the drag and simply drop. Drag, drop. Drag something, right? Drag something, drop. Drag something, drop. So this is called the block-based coding. Block-based coding. Is it clear? Is it clear, kids?
Did not
Is it very
understand.
clear?
Did not
Is it?
understand.
You do not understand? Should I explain again?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose I will show you, right? I will show you. I will not explain this. I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
Give me 1 second.
So can I have a sip of water?
Yeah, you can. No, you can have the sip of water. If you want, then you can have the sip of water. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I will be showing you that what it is the block-based coding, right? I'll be simply showing you. If you're not understanding anything, just let me know. I'm here to help you only, okay? Can you
Okay.
see my screen? Is it visible?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Okay, so
Yes,
now,
sir.
okay, great, very great. Now I'm going to tell you these. Can you see the motion blocks? This is the motion block.
Yes, sir.
Move, turn, go to random, right? What is motion? What is motion? What is motion? When we
Motion is the
move.
thing
When we
that
move. All
we
right, generally.
move the
When we
player
move.
Move
Yes.
or
the chair. Move the chair 15 degrees away.
Great. Okay. So
Or
this is
all
called
the
the
all the Celsius is 15 degrees.
very nice, right? So these are called the motion blocks, right? The next thing that is called, we are having the looks blocks. है ना? Looks,
Mhm.
in the look blocks, what do we do? In the look blocks, what do we do? We are, we can
we
change out
talk.
so
We
many
talk.
things, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
If
we
we
talk.
want, yeah, if we want that whatever we are using, it should say something. And it should speak something. So which
Mhm.
block we can use? Look blocks we can use. है
Hello.
ना?
Block.
Great. There are the sound. If we want to, if we want to play a sound, then we can use the sound block, right? And these are the different blocks we are having. This is called the block based coding, right? If I will show
We
you
could
once,
also add
है ना?
animation.
Okay, we can also add animations. Very good, है ना? Now you
Please
can see
again,
this
I
area.
cannot understand it.
Now can you see my area? This can you see my screen? Is it visible?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
No.
great,
sir.
No.
great.
Oh my
Can you
god.
can you see my screen? Is it visible? It is visible to all?
No.
Yeah, it
Yes, sir.
is. It is.
Okay, great, huh? Right. So now what we will do? This is this thing now. Can you see the cat over there? This is the cat, right? We'll be calling
Yes,
it as
Yes.
sir.
a sprite. If we want, then we will go into this section. This is called the choose a sprite option. And from that
Hmm.
sprite, there are the different sprites out there. We want if we want D in place of this, right? So this is
Yeah.
our again a sprite. This is the cat. That is a sprite. Okay, fine. Is it very
What
clear?
do you mean sprite?
Sprite means
What is
any of the character. Sprite means simply character, right? For example, Motu, Patlu,
Sir,
that's a character,
sir,
right?
Om is just doing some lines.
Nobody, please do not do any lines, okay? It is going to distract other student. Please do not make any lines, or please do not make anything on the screen, okay? Okay, so what I was telling you, what is a sprite? Hai na? Sprite means the character, the different things. Like it could be animals, it could be birds, right?
it? A
It
Yeah.
could be birds. So
cat
it's like an
creature
object.
monkey
है
or
ना?
a sonomon.
Now
Sir,
these
object is a thing, but boy not a thing.
what?
An object is a thing, but a person is not a thing.
No, everybody, right? You know, this is the we call it as an character. What do we call? We call a character or the object, right? It can
Right.
move, it can talk, it can dance, or it can do the actions when we give them instruction. What it can do? It can do
Action.
the
Action.
action if we are giving them instruction, right? If we
Yeah.
want that it should do something. Okay. For example, suppose I want my cat to move somewhere. है ना? I do not want to move it like this. I want that it should move somewhere. Okay.
Again, someone is doing.
Please do not do this, everybody. Otherwise, I will not allow you to do anything. Okay. Then you will not be allowed to do anything on the screen, or you will not be allowed to speak if you will do it again. Okay. This is
Yes.
called the when flag clicked, है ना? I told you, na, we are going to, this is called what? When flag click means, what does this block mean?
It
It
starts
means
the
it's the
coding.
start, right? It's the start. It means
Start
what?
our program.
When I will start it, then everything is going to work out. If I will just click on this, if I will click on the flag, this is called the go flag, है ना? And if I will click on that flag, this is called the green flag. Green flag, what does the green flag means?
Go.
Go, move,
Go.
Oh,
right?
Start.
Sir, sir,
Similarly,
I want to see.
Okay. So now when flag clicked, suppose I want that my cat should move 10 steps, or suppose I want that my cat should move 20 steps, right? Now, so
Yeah.
what I did, I simply drag this and I will going to drop this block. Okay. And now you can see now the cat, now this D, it is moving, right? Okay. And now if I want that my cat should move, so I have to again write the code. Move, suppose I want this, move 20 steps, then it should turn out some degrees, right? Suppose I want that my cat should turn like any random degree I'm just taking, right?
90.
Turn 90 degrees.
Yeah.
And after that, I'm saying that it should say some hello as well after moving. So
Yeah.
I'm saying, hello, mini coders. It should say, hello, mini
Coders.
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 Sir, let's go. Sir, let's go.
I'm just going to, and now what I will do, I'll be selecting this when flag clicked. And when I'm clicking the flag, and then all these things will work, right? Hello, mini coders. What does it do? Again, let's see. I will again click on the flag, right? Now, if I from this control, if I want to that if I want to repeat this thing, right? So now this is going to do all these things. Now these things will be repeated, right? Okay, if I will click on the flag continuously, so you can see it is going to be repeated. Now I do not have to do anything. It will be repeated completely for 10 times. Okay, this is called the block-based coding. This is called what? Block-based
Block-based coding.
block-based coding, right? I want that suppose it should move 5 steps and then it should say, see, now it is going to move. Hello, mini coders. Simply it is generally moving, right? So
90
this is
degree.
called the
Sir, it is
block-based
so.
coding.
Sir, it is so amazing.
Yeah, it's very
Sir, can you
amazing,
also
right?
add background?
Yeah, we can
Sir,
also add the background. So where we can add the
sir,
background?
I have played it the game.
You have played this game?
Yes.
That's very
Sir,
nice, right? How
can you
can we add the
play the
background? We can also add the background. From this now, if we will go into the choose a backdrop option, so there are the different backgrounds are there. Suppose we want that, it's looking nice, right?
Farm. Farm.
Flower.
Farm. Farm.
Floor, okay. Okay. Now guys, this is just an introduction, okay?
Sir,
This is
soccer,
just an
soccer.
introduction.
Sir, I play soccer. Run do soccer.
Okay, we'll be searching. We can also search out the different things, right? Here. Yeah. Now, oh, this is called the block-based coding. I hope now you have got an idea what is block-based coding. Okay. Now let me tell you what is text-based coding. What is text-based coding? Now I'm going to teach you what? Text-based coding. Okay. Very great. Very great. Okay. So now I'm going to teach you about the text-based coding, right? Yeah. Can you see my screen again? Yeah, I know. Okay, great. Fine. Okay. So this is the text-based coding. In the text-based coding, what do we do? We are going to type out a code. We are not going to do the drag and drop. We'll be properly typing. We will be properly typing, and then our code will work on. We'll properly typing, and then our code will work on. Okay, we can develop the different games, right? Suppose I will show you like this is the kind of if I will show you, right? So there are the different programs out there, right? Suppose this is the parrot py or so it is making the different parrots. So this is this thing that I've done because of the text base. I've written something and now it is moving. I've written a code, now it is moving continuously, right? And suppose you want to make a Flappy Bird game, so you can also make a Flappy Bird game in the Python, and it will go like this. And we can make out a different. If we want that there should be a ball, if we want that there should be a parrot moving, right? So we can make a Flappy Bird game. We can make a different games out there. Okay, with the help of this, with the help of what? With the help of the text-based coding. With the help of what? Text-based coding. Is it very clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Is it
We
very
could
clear?
make games also with game
Yes.
engines.
Yes. Okay. So now are you all excited?
Yeah. So now what are we doing?
Now I will ask.
Sir,
Sir, you are
you are
muted.
mute.
Okay. Now I will give you the 5 questions and now you have to answer. Okay. Are you ready, guys? You have to raise
Yes,
your
sir.
hand and the person who and the student who will raise his hand first, he has to answer. And let's see who is going to win this quiz. Okay. Ready? Okay. Push, please. Okay. Please lower your hand. Okay. Very great. Anna. Now the first question is, what is coding? The options are playing games. Option A, playing games. Option B, giving instruction to the computer. Option 3, cleaning a computer. Option A, playing games. Option B, giving instruction to computer. Option C, cleaning a computer. What is coding? Okay. So I would like to, who will answer? Who has raised? Okay, Kush will answer first. Kush has raised his hand first, so Kush will answer it. Kush, tell me, which option is correct? Well, uh, yes. Yes, Kush, now you can.
Sir, the option B is correct. Giving
Option B is correct. Very good, Kush. Please give a big round of applause for Kush because he has very nice Kush. Okay. Now the next question. Now the next question that I'm going to ask. How many types of coding are there? Option A, one type. Option two, two types. Option three, three types. Option four, four types. And you have to tell the name of that. You have to tell the name. Okay. Yeah. So who has raised his hand first? Let me see. Let me see. Who has raised his hand first? Okay. Ridesha, yes, you have raised your hand first. I will ask you to unmute. You can unmute yourself and then you can answer. Yes, now you can answer.
The the
Huh?
the option B is correct.
How many types
There
are
are
there?
two coding.
There are two
Two
types of coding. And what are their names?
text based text ba- based coding
Yes, very good.
mm,
And block-based coding. Very good,
and
very
block
good.
based coding.
Very nice. Okay. Now the third question is coming. Is everyone ready? Is everyone
Yes,
ready? Okay, just
yes,
raise your hand fastly. And if you will raise your hand like this now, I can also see. Okay, fine. The AI is working. I will be also teaching you about artificial intelligence, the AI, in which you can generate anything, right? So there are so many things, so many exciting things that you are going to learn in this course. Okay, are you excited to learn the coding and other technologies as well? I will make you the super coder, right? You
yes.
will be the super coder. First, now you are the mini coders. After some time, you will be the super coder. Okay. Now the third question that I'm going to ask you, which part of the computer is called the brain of the computer? I'm not going to give you the option for this. Okay, Vihan has raised his hand first, so I will give chance to Vihan. Yes, Vihan, now you can answer. Which part is called the brain of the computer?
So the brain of the computer is CPU.
Very good, very nice, very nice. Okay, now Vihan, you can mute yourself. Okay, now I will ask the last question. What is the full form of CPU? Who will tell? Who will tell? Who will tell? Okay, JP Karunya, you have raised your hand first, so you will answer. Very good. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. What is the full form? Central
Central
Processing Unit. Okay, very good, very good. So basically, because we cannot extend this class anymore, since there are other classes and there is a time limit as well, okay? So that's why we need to stop here. That's why we need to stop here. Okay, you can just answer in the 1 second. Okay, so next time we are also doing the polls as well, and next time we will be doing it very, very nicely, right? In the next classes, we'll be learning in a more advanced way, okay? And we'll be
Yeah.
learning the more about the coding. Got it? Is it very clear, everyone? Yes. Okay. How many of you like the demo of this demo session? And what have you learned? If you want to share your feedback, anyone? Is there anyone who wants to share the feedback that what you have learned today? First of all, we have learned about the computer, all the parts of the computer, what a computer can do. And after that, we have also learned out what is coding and how can we use the coding. We have seen an example of the block-based coding. And if we have the time, then we can also see the example of the text-based coding. But I have shown you, right? From the next classes, we are going to learn, right? We are going to learn. Okay. So we'll be learning from the first of all, we'll start from the block-based coding. Then we'll learn the languages. In the language, the main programming language that we're going to learn is the Python, right? We call it Python. Okay. So we are going to learn Python as well. And then after that, we are going to make out the different games, the calculator, so many things we are going to make. And the third thing that we are going to learn is the HTML. Okay, what is HTML? Does anyone know? This is also kind of the language only. This is called the scripted language. Hai na? From this language, you have seen the different websites over the internet, right? When we search anything on the Google, so there are the different websites came out. Yes or no? You also use different website. For example, if there is a website of your school or some other thing, right or not? So we use the different websites, right? So those websites are made using the HTML. Okay, so we are going to learn that as well. Is that clear, everyone? Okay. So are you excited to learn all these? Are you excited to learn all these or not? Okay, how many of you are excited? Raise your hands fastly. How many of you are excited? Very good. You all are excited. Very nice. Very nice. Very great. Okay. So this was the Minicoders coding camp. You have, I hope, like you have learned the all the things that we have done. Okay. So now, if there is anyone, and if your parents are out there, and if they want to ask me anything, then they can ask as well. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. How was the class today? First of all, rate the class. In the poll, you can rate the class. Like 10 out of 10, how many marks would you like to give this class? 10, 9, right? So there are the different marks categories that you can give to this class. Okay? And since it is the demo class, so that's why I cannot teach you all the things. So I have just tried to give you an overview of all the things. Okay? Got it? Okay, so now you can call your parents if there is anyone, right? Uh, you can call your mom, you can call your papa, okay, anyone you can call, okay? And then I will tell you that what we are going to learn in this course, okay? Okay, so now I will tell you that what we are going to learn in this course, okay? So I already told you what is coding. I hope you have all enjoyed the session. Okay. So now this is the mini coders coding camp that we are organizing. In this mini coders coding camp, this is for the kids, right? So there are the two categories in this coding camp, right? The first category is for the ages from 5 to 9, and the second category, those who are from the ages 9 to 15 or 9 to 13. Okay. So in this coding camp, what your child will learn, first of all, your child will learn about how to build out the games, how to build out the apps. And before, first of all, we'll be having the two types of categories. If your child is already aware about the block-based coding, then we'll directly move to the text-based coding. And first of all, we'll be going to have the block-based coding, and then accordingly, we'll be doing the text-based coding. And accordingly, like he is going to master out the coding logics as well. He will be learning the coding logics. He or she will be learning the coding logics, and this coding is going to help him using the kind of it will develop the problem solving skills. So if I will show you the course structure, so this is the course structure that we are going to follow in this. So first of all, there will be the 25 live interactive sessions. Each and every session will be live only, and each in a week there will be the two sessions, and this is the complete for the 3 months. The total duration of this course will be 3 months, so it's a kind of comprehensive learning journey. And after completing the course, each and every kid will be provided the certificate And if he regularly attends the sessions, then he will be provided the certificate. So official certificates upon the completion of the course. And the next thing that we are going to give you the homeworks, right? And we are going to give you the assignments as well for all the childs, for all the kids. They have to do the regular homeworks and the assignments as well. And after that, there will be the class recordings as well. Suppose by any chance, by anyhow, if the child has missed out any of the class, then he can also watch the live recordings of those classes. Means the class recording he can watch out at any time at his own pace, at his own place. Okay. And after, like, we are going to make it very, very interactive. The quizzes, polls, each and everything will be there that such that your child will enjoy all those. So these are the, and after that, if there is any doubts, so we are also going to take out the doubt sessions so that we can clear all the doubts of the child. And if he's facing some issues and he's not able to cooperate, if he is not able to understand, then separately the tutor will be assigned to that child, and then accordingly he is going to solve out the problem of that child. And there is another thing that is the special feature that we have, that is called the parents teacher meeting. You can interact with the teacher, that will be me and the other tutors as well. So we would be having the parent teacher meeting, and in which, like, we will be discussing about the child's progress and the development and how is he doing in the coding. And there will be the different engaging activities that your child will really like those activities, and he will be learning out some problem solving skills which is surely going to help him in the future, since this thing is the future. Learning the programming languages, learning the technologies, learning the new technologies, it is the future. And if you will just see out, if you will just look over there, so, like, if you will go out, like, those kids who are already into this field, who are already into the technology fields, so they excel more than those kids who are new to this. So basically, if you are in the class grade 5th, grade 4th, if your child is in grade 4th or grade 5th, or in any of the classes he is, or the grade 2nd as well. So in the upcoming classes, all the schools are going to include the syllabus. So that's why we are also going to cover the school syllabus as well. It is surely going to help in their exams and in other various things. So these are the 25 lesson curriculum will be there. So in that, we are going to learn that, first of all, in the block based coding, we are going to learn the Scratch. Your child will learn the Scratch and other softwares, so that he could, first of all, he could understand the logic of the code. So for developing the logic of the code, we will be using the Scratch and other like Code.org and other platforms. And after that, there is called the text based coding. In the text based coding, we are going to start with the Python, and with the Python, we are also going to make them learn the HTML, which will be useful for their web development, for their designing the web pages. So it will be a kind of the structure only. It will be a kind of the basic introduction only, so that they could be at least aware about the new technologies and the programming languages, and they could make out the simple games as well. So these are the things that we are going to cover in these sessions in this mini coding camp. And the actual price is the 6,999. But since those who will enroll early in this mini coding camp, like, it's only rupees 4,999. So this is the early bird discount that is available until November 8th. So these are the things that we are going to have in this mini coder camp. So if dear parents, if you want to ask me anything, or if you want to have any doubts, then you can also clear with me, or you can contact us at this number. And if you are already in the WhatsApp group, then it's really great. And if you are not, then you can join our WhatsApp group. We will be sharing the link in the chat, then you can join it as well. So this is the mini coding camp by Flying Stars. And you can also ask your child that how they like today's session, how they like this demo session. Since it was a demo, so there was a kind of the complete overview that how this coding and other things works, and what are the basics of the computer that we've discussed today. So yeah, there is one more thing. Please fill the form if you want to enroll in this course. So dear sir and ma'am, please fill this form, and then accordingly you can join our mini coders camp. So if there are any parents, or if there is any ma'am or sir, if they want to ask me anything, then they can. Otherwise, we can end this session.
Sir, sir, can you just send, sir, when we are doing the demo,
Uh,
where we see the where you send something and we say 10, 9, 8, 7. Can you just send that? But when you send that, I will mark 10. But then the submit is not getting submitted.
Okay, no worries, Vihan. It's fine. It's completely fine. Okay, it will be submitted. Don't worry. Okay, Vihan. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, kids, for joining this session. I hope you all like this session. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
then we'll meet again in the sessions and then we'll learn more about the coding. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, then. Till then, have a good bye. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Anyone having any questions? Please fill the form once before leaving. Please fill that form before leaving. I sent that in the chats. Please fill that form. Are you done filling the form? Karunya, Khush, are you done filling the form? Khush, have you filled the form? Please fill the form.